Hi guys, I thought I just should give you a little bit of feedback about your test results. Most of you did pretty well. Those who hadn't reflected on their classroom work and hadn't done any real revision prior to the test, of course, didn't do as well as I would have liked them to have. Maybe they wouldn't have liked them to have either. But I thought I'd go through this last question because no one got it. It's a very hard question. It was there as a bit of a challenge to see how well you'd understood light and particularly colour, and we sort of made it a little bit different with sort of, what do I call those, transparent coloured blocks to sort of confuse you. So, actually, so the answer there was meant to be yellow. So stage area should have come up yellow. Why is that? Now, to make it a bit simpler, we're just working with the primary colours, red, green, and blue. So, here's our first light. And obviously it's going to release red, green and blue light. And it comes up against this yellow screen, which allows light through it. But of course the yellow, whoops, what's it gone? There it is. The yellow colour will be reflected off to give it a yellow look. And only remaining stuff will come through. So yellow from memory is made from, oops, blue and green, isn't it? How come red and green's gone through? But anyway, that takes out the blue end. The magenta here won't have any blue to go through it because it's already gone. And the red gets reflected off there, allowing, so the green gets reflected off there, allowing only the red to come through it. So the red comes through and adds red to the stage area. The bottom light goes first through a cyan, which is blue and green. So that's the blue and green through. And then goes through a yellow, which will only let the green through because blue's going to get reflected off it. And it adds green, so we've got red and green, which will give us this amber yellow colour. And this one here, of course, gives us no colour. So red, green and blue go through the magenta, but the green doesn't make it. Red and blue come on. Red and blue hit the green and are both absorb but not pass. This essentially is passing black in the middle. There's no light, which will leave you, again, just with red and green. And so we've got this lovely yellow stage area. So a tricky one. It was there to sort of test out how well you understood what was happening. And unfortunately no one got it. That's all right. It was there for the test. Well done to our top score. I think it was in the 70s. And a lot of you need to make sure that you do your regular reflections each class. And then when it comes time for a test, go over your reflections, go through our notes, and make sure you know what we're doing. Anyway, we'll talk about it in class more.